welcome back to the Love of Birds. Today I'm going to be showing you my bird Ice, who just flew away. Let me grab her again. He's not very cooperative most of the time, but yeah, this is Ice. She's a golden-faced sky blue budgie. No, we're on camera, boo. All right, so, well, she's a female. She's doing good. The reason I named her Ice, it was a Christmas day. It was snowing, and it was really cold outside. So, well, next day I'm like, if it was a white budgie, I would name her Snowy or something. But I'm like, she's blue, so I'm gonna think of like something that's blue or thought of blue, something like that. I was thinking like Bluebell or something like that. Hey, come here. But I was like, you know, I like Ice, so I named her Ice the day after I got her. 2 weeks later, after we got her, we tamed her. She got to come out of the cage right in this classroom right over here. And my mom actually took her out first, and she was really good. She was 3 months old when we got her, but better yet, let me just show you a few clips of her to really get to know her personality and her friendship with me, and that she's really fun. 1, 2. Yeah, sing. Let's hear you sing. Yeah. Incy Bitsy Spider. Go. Singy. Sing. Come on, girl. What are you doing under there? Is that? Come on. You're funny.
With each other.
What is it later?
I don't know, that might have just been, you know, how he feels
Yeah.
things with his beak too,
Yeah.
right? But yeah, I wouldn't want to be rather traumatic.
I'm the king of the castle.
Look, I know I
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm the king of
They
the
both
castle.
want to bite each other.
I'm the king of the castle. You're stealing my spot.
Alright, so here's Thunder meeting Ice. His first day, he was going crazy. Well, we have the music on here with Ice and him singing. I loved his little chirp, it was so cute. I'll have another video on Thunder, but this video is for Ice, and you can see her right now. And Thunder chirping. Oh, I think that's about it. He doesn't. He's chirping. So here's Thunder. He's showing off for Ice. You can see he's doing his little bob to impress Ice, the female. Male budgies do that to like get the female's attention and start to hope to mate with them, I guess. But so yeah, that's it.
So cool. Watching his eyes change.
Just come on. Just come on. Just
Come
come
on,
on.
you gotta dance for her. You gotta dance for her. Go on.
Gonna dance for your boyfriend, girl?
Ask
Am
her,
I
are you a
good girl?
girl?
You like a girl? Are you like a girl? Are you? A
Good
girl?
girl.
You like a girl? Are you like a girl? Are you?
Hi. Are you curious?
Who's my good girl? Who is it? I see. Who is it? I see. So here's Ice. She is bathing in her little fountain. She loves doing it. You can also get your bird a little fountain like this for any of your birds. I mean, most birds like to bathe. Most. My bird Ramsey doesn't, but I'll have a clip of him in another video. But yeah, this is Ice. She loves the water, and yep, that's about it. Alright, so here's Ice on her salt lamp. If you're wondering to get a salt lamp for your bird, it's totally fine. They get minerals from it. It's good for them, lots of minerals, and yeah, that's it. I think that's about it. If you like this video, press a like on this video. Love your birds, and we'll see you next time. Bye.